Frank 7 TV. Dito kami sa may sentro, guys. Try ko I would like to stand by here for a little bit time. If I can see kung safe ba rin dito. Kasi maraming establishment, may 7-Eleven, merong mga bakery. So I try to see kung safe siya for my doggy. Dito yung mga doggy ko, guys. Nandito si July and Chisay. Present. Pinapractice ko sila para hindi sila matatakot. Kasi ano sila takot pa sila kunti kasi first time nila sa lansangan So right, July? Kaya dito muna kami, guys. We stand by here for around maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, so we can see if it's safe here or not. So when we fully live in the postcard, I know where's the safe place, where should we stand by for a little bit long. At least there's maraming ilaw, guys. Nag-vlog ako Tsaka mababait ang tao dito, so okay lang. So let us see, guys. By the way, guys, thank you pala sa mga nag-comment, nag-share, at saka nag-like sa vlogs ko, Thank you so much na nag-follow kayo. Until I'm still alive, I will always be vlogging, guys. Pag wala na akong vlog, it means wala na ako sa mundo. Hindi natin alam until when. Well, at this time, okay naman. Okay lang magtambay dito, guys, kung like that, it's a good season. Walang rain, maraming stars. So, at saka a little bit hot na, kaya okay lang to stand by here. Hindi na siya cold. Right, July? Hindi na cold. Kaya, okay naman siya. By the way, guys, suggest nga kayo kung where's the place should be I stand by, especially at night time. Kasi at this time ito walang alam ko like here in the center of this place of Cordon, then maybe Jollibee, 7-Eleven dyan sa kabila, guys, and the Primark yan, 7-Eleven dyan, guys, kaya okay lang siya. Then this is the bakery. At may mga CCTV here, so at least safe siya, guys. Hindi siya, hindi ako mag-alala for my doggies and me. But I don't know kung rainy days, kung okay ba here. Anyway, we're not getting longer naman to stay in one place because I'm a nomadic, homeless, living in a postcard, aging, or old woman, guys. Kaya saan lang dandahan, slowly pushing, then stay. Okay lang. By the way, sa next, guys, thank you for support my vlog, next time I will put more content sa destination ko. It's on my journey. At least dito safe siya. Sa ulitin, guys.